How to log in to Costco credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to Costco credit card online. To log into your Costco credit card online account, you will need to access the Citi website, as Citi issues and manages the Costco credit cards. For that, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you may type in citi.com in order to go to the official website of Citi. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Citi. Once you reach to this page, here at the left side, you will be able to see this login interface. Here now you will need to enter your login credentials in order to log in to your account. In the first text box here, you will need to enter your user ID, and the second text box, you will need to enter your password. Make sure to enter it correctly. Once after entering the password, you may also click on this I button at the right side in order to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. Also, if you would like to remember your user ID for future logins, you may click on this checkbox right here that says Remember User ID. Also, if you are using a public computer, then do not select this option. Now once after entering all the credentials, go ahead and click on this sign in button right here in order to log in to your account. And in case if you are not able to log into your account, then you may also use these options, forgot user ID or password option, or the links just below the sign in button in order to reset or retrieve your login credentials. And if you don't have an online account, you will need to register your card by providing your card details and personal information. For that, you will need to click on this register link at the left side of this interface. So now once you are logged into your account, you can manage your card, view the statements, make the payments, and also check the rewards. So this is how you can log into your Costco credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.